Hello friends. Today I have some sea animals. Come on, let's see with me. Starfish. Starfish mouth is located on the underside of its body. Mostly starfish have 5 arms. Octopus. Octopus has 8 legs and a big head. They like fishes and birds to eat. Manta ray. Manta ray have flat body and long tail. The wings of manta ray are very huge. Hammerhead shark. They have eyes on both sides of their head. Their mouth are located on the underside of their head. Turtle. It lives on land and water both. It has 4 legs and long neck. Seahorse. Seahorse is a tiny fish that has a horse-like head and curled tail. Dolphin. Dolphins are very social animal and have excellent eyesight and hearing ability. Seal. Seal are semi-aquatic marine mammal. There are around 33 species of seals. Shark. A shark is a carnivorous animal and they eat fishes and aquatic animals. Whale. Whalefish are the biggest animal in the ocean. They can be over 100 feet long. Lobster. It's a large shellfish, has 8 legs. Crab. Crabs are live in salty and fresh water. It walk and swim sideways. Goodbye kids. I hope you will be enjoy. Okay. Wait for